Say hi.
Over. Turn volume down.
What?
Turn volume down.
There, chat.
Too late, it's on my phone, so it makes it zoom out. Guys, this is just Central Third. Don't worry, nothing too special.
Jump!
I actually stole this car with me.
No, you jumped out.
Right, here's images design if you want to go change your character. It looks like it needs to be changed, man. I'll come back up later to pick you up.
That's fast.
Zoom out all over. So guys, this is just simple use. Okay, I'll come pick you up now.
Show them the ramp,
Give me a second.
Ben. Show the videos the ramp.
Yeah. I need to come pick up Alex.
If they like it, but well, after show them, that'll be a good ramp.
Yeah, it's still going. I don't think they can hear you, like, so. I'll put you on in a minute. Put that music off because I don't want copyright. No, I don't want copyright. We're just trying to pick up Alex and her, you know, what is this?
It's not a her, it's a he.
I don't know, quest or whatever it is, can't remember the name. No, I'm not in the car anymore, it kind of like got wrecked. You might want to come quickly because we've kind of problems. Get in.
Put it on where we can hear Alex.
Where to, my sir? Yes, sir. Okay. Why do you want to go there? We just left. Oh.
Stands in no way for long.
Sir, you just got a rocket launcher and you know that, don't you? On that road.
My name's Rick. What your name? I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Bye-bye.
Don't leave, Alex. Do the ramp. Show the videos the ramp. Why? They'll like the ramp.
Sorry, I just need to put on the settings. I'm gonna die for Alex, sheesh.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Did you hear that? Alex.
Oliver.
What?
Shush. Alex, also, you might need to pay for a new limousine. Your limousine kind of got soaked. If you know what I mean, it got underwater. Well, it was technically my limousine. Don't worry, I'll get you a nicer car. I'll get you something nicer to roll in.
Bloody canoes.
Yeah. Something I like to call my.
No, not the Crusher or whatever it is. Crushinator. Not the Crushinator or whatever it is.
What?
Have you ever been in the design where it says build? Have you ever put it at 100% fat?
No.
Where do you see it? It's really funny.
Where's my car? Say hello to my little friend.
You come to me.
It's a Crushinator. Look at that Crushinator.
It's Crusader.
Well, Crusader, whatever.
Say hello to my little friend.
Well, I call it a Crushinator.
Over shush. Alex, I'm just taking my time to come pick you up.
See if you're in a tank.
I'm kind of. I'm going as fast as I can. This tank isn't too fast. I'm sure I can't. I'll do that in a second. I'm going to actually call another one in. I only use this for.
I'm trying to stop the police.
We may have a problem.
Call Johnny Tag. Call Johnny Gap. He has a car with him, you know.
Alright, there's a car. Ah, I want to get in that car and I nearly started surfing on my own tank. Right, I'm coming to pick you up. You may not like the car, like. Whoopsies. I'm gonna save you, don't worry. Don't get your knickers in a twist.
Is in the weirdest car in the world.
Shush over.
Yeah.
Stop it.
That's what you call a ramp.
Alex, I'll be there in like 1 second, trust me.
What?
Not like that. I'm near, we have a tank problem. Well, no, not such a good idea. Yeah, Alex, a little help might be needed.
I'm trying to get back to moving, surgeon.
Okay.
Tell him that the tank drove over you.
Well, I'm thinking for about 16 seconds, so yeah. You've 5 seconds.
Stay still then.
I'm actually not moving purposely.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hopefully Star comes in next time.
Do you want to pause what we saying? Okay.
Say hello. Yay. What?
We've been doing it for 8 minutes.
I actually haven't.
We've been doing it for 8 minutes.
I have completed it before, I just didn't see
We've
it.
been doing it for 8 minutes, 40 seconds. Nearly 49 seconds. 49 seconds.
Over shush. Don't want the colour. Perfect. Say hello. Wrong car. What? Is this thing stupid or what? Thank you. Alex, I'll come pick you up, okay? No, that's okay. I'll get you a ride. Don't worry. No, I've a pretty nice ride.
What? Do a ramp. Make a ramp. Ramp over that. Ramp over.
Pick me up.
Oh, there was a picture of a woman.
Actually, yeah, I forgot about that. Wasn't me, don't worry. How are you? Oh, you are. Okay. Yay. I'm gonna join you now, okay?
Let's zoom in.
Let me in. I got in. Thank you. I got the guns though. After I'll cover you, boss man. Say hello, my little friend.
Zoom.
Oh, it just went purple there. I thought this would overheat sooner. Oh, there we go, it overheated.
Well, you can tell by there.
Are we?
Jump! Go over that way. Over there. What?
Alright. No, not a plane, a helicopter. Just take it. No, it's okay. I've already got myself
That
a
may look like
It's not
fire.
nice, like, but you know, it's still.
Look at the car. Look at the wee stupid, weird motorbike.
Wait, I need to take care of these cops or they're just going to follow us. Right, I'm getting in.
Zoom in. There.
Sorry, my
No.
character is stupid.
Can't really see.
Right, drop me off at the hangar, would you?
Well, there. That's a way better.
Well, this'll do. Whoa, I fell out. Oh well. I'll do here. If there's something.
I'm away back to St. Petersburg.
Okay. I'm not.
Whee!
There's just a plane round about here. Just wait till the cops are on. My little boy. Anyway, guys, I know it's been quite a long video. Goodbye.